Hello, welcome to RiRi World. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun.
Turn on the tap, the water flows. The tub is filling, here it goes. I hold my toy and say, don't fear. Your bubble bath is almost here. Let's begin the bath. I jump in the tub, splash, splash, splash. I bring my toy, splash, splash, splash. Let's get you clean, I say with cheer. Bath time fun is finally here. I wash your hair, so soft and sweet, with gentle hands and bubbly bead. I scrub the top and count to 3. Bubble hat for you and me. I wash your face from cheek to chin and wipe your little button nose in. I rinse it slow with water clear. Now you smile from ear to ear. I wash your hands so small and round and make a bubbly scrubbing sound. Left one, right one, clean and bright. All done now, you're feeling light. I wash your legs from top to knee. Let's splash a little. 1, 2, 3. I rub them gently, just like so. Then rinse them off from head to toe. I wash your feet, they're tiny and cute. I rinse you off and pat you dry. You smile big, no need to cry. I wrap you up in a towel so wide and hug you close with love and pride. RiRi wakes with morning light, shoes on tight and eyes so bright. He grabs his cap and shouts, hooray! I'm going counting things today. One red bug goes zip, zip, zip. It crawls along and does a flip. It climbs up high, then takes a dip. RiRi laughs and taps his lip. 2 white cats go meow, meow, meow. They chase a ball and jump up now. They tumble fast and take a bow. RiRi pets them soft and wow. 3 green frogs go hop, hop, hop. They leap in mud and never stop. They croak and dance with every plop. RiRi joins them, hop, hop, hop. 4 bluebirds go tweet, tweet, tweet. They flap their wings and peck a treat. They sing and twirl with tiny feet. RiRi claps and moves to beat. 5 black ants go tickle toes. They march in lines and touch his nose. They crawl in socks and down his clothes. RiRi giggles as he goes. The sky turns pink, the sun dips low. RiRi yawns, it's time to go. He counted friends from 1 to 5. What a fun day, feeling alive. Come ride with me, let's go, go, go. Wheels turn fast and nice and slow. We beep and zoom, we fly so high. We ride together, you and I. I ride my bike, ding, ding goes the bell. Down the path I ride so well. Pedal, push, my feet go round, zooming fast across the ground. I ride my bike, ding, ding goes the bell. Down the path I ride so well. Pedal, push, my feet go round, zooming fast was red with a big white smile. He drives with me for miles and miles. Vroom, 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 we go so fast. Then we stop and wave as we pass. The bus is big, the bus is bright. It opens doors from left to right. Beep, beep, it says, and we all cheer. The bus is fun, we're riding here. The bus is big, the bus is bright. It opens doors from left to right. Beep, beep, it says, and we all cheer. The bus is fun, we're riding here. The train says choo choo, puff puff steam. It rides on tracks just like a dream. Click clack, wheels go round and round. It makes a happy chugging sound. The train says choo choo, puff puff steam. It rides on tracks just like a dream. Click clack, wheels go round and round. It makes a happy chugging sound. The boat goes swish, the boat goes sway. We float on water all the way. Splash, splash, waves go left and right. We sail along in morning light. The boat goes swish, the boat goes sway. We float on water all the way. Splash, splash, waves go left and right. We sail along in morning light. The plane goes up, up in the sky. It zooms above where birdies fly. With shiny wings and blinking lights, it flies so high and feels so light. The plane goes up, up in the sky. It zooms above where birdies fly. With shiny wings and blinking lights, it flies so high and feels so light. Come ride with me, we've had our fun. We rolled and raced with everyone. From bike to boat and plane so high. Let's ride again and sing goodbye.
Hi friends, it's a bright and happy morning in my room. I'm building something super special. Can you guess what it is? Oh no, my letter A is missing. Where's my A block? Do you see it? Let's go find it with Roro. Roro, you're here. Say hello to my friends. Whoa, you grew big, Roro. Are you ready for our letter hunt? Which way should we go first? Look, that sign says G, and that one says C, but we need A. Can you help me look for it? That's the letter B, but it's not A. Let's keep looking. Maybe a clue is nearby. Ooh, what's that shiny thing over there? Do you think it's a clue? Let's check it out. Whoa, these tiles have letters too, D, E, F, but still no A. Keep your eyes open, friends. Wow, this place feels magical. Do you feel that too, Roro? It's getting darker, Roro. We better find the letter A. Roro, look, it's the letter A. We found it. We finally found the letter A. It is shining. Great job, friends, and thank you. We found A. Let's shout hooray. Come along, friends. Let's sing and play. We'll dance with letters all the way.
A is amazing, hip hip hooray. Let's sing and dance the letter A. A is for apple, juicy and red. A is for apple, that's what I said. A is for ant, tiny and neat, marching along with little feet. A is for alligator, smiling wide, waving hello from the riverside. A, we love A. Sing it loud and shout hooray. Spin around and clap and say, we're learning letters every day.